All right, it is time to show you how to unlock the perfect sheet pan dinner. It's what's for dinner tonight. Our home audience is cooking along with us, and I love this because we're gonna do it real time together. Here we go. The formula for the perfect sheet pan meal, guys. Hello, hi, are you ready for this? Is protein, vegetable, fat, and flavor. We're gonna add these four things together. Our protein, our veggie, our fat, plus our flavor equals sheet pan success. Ladies, how are you doing out there?
Good. Very good.
Good.
Ready to go?
Yep.
Ready to go.
Are your sheet pans nice and ugly? Ugly and loved like mine?
Yes.
Excellent, excellent. All right, so let me show you exactly how this works with our sheet pan shrimp stir fry. So it has all the makings of a classic stir fry, but you're doing it on a sheet pan, which makes it easier. Cleanup is so simple. You don't have to stir or fry, but you get all the pleasure. And we're doing it in the oven, which actually does help make it a little bit simpler too. So we have a sheet pan heating in the oven, and I'm gonna quickly make a glorious sauce that's gonna get tossed with our cooked veggies and shrimp. Here I have scallions, a little brown sugar. You want a little sweetness in this sauce. It makes it very heady and delicious. Some ginger, a little bit of heat there, some more heat from chili flake and pepper. And I'm going to whisk into that a splash of rice wine vinegar, some sesame oil, which I love for sort of that typical Asian cuisine flavor profile, some oyster sauce, plus some soy sauce. Whisk that all together, and that is gonna make a delicious, super flavorful, quick sauce to juice up all of our veggies and protein. Delicious. Okay, now we're gonna make a quick toss together of the veggie combination we're going to use, which is broccoli. Let me say one thing when you're using any kind of cruciferous veggie or something that comes off in a floret. Hello, friend. So I went ahead and sliced every single floret in half. Why? Because this flat edge here is gonna stick to the surface of your sheet tray and give you maximum golden browning deliciousness, texture, crunch, flavor, all of it you wanted. Take the time to do that. It's also super important to make sure that your broccoli is going to cook evenly with your shrimp, which does cook up so fast. So small florets are important. Some sliced bell peppers, some red onion, and obviously you can customize this as you like. I went pretty traditional here. Snow peas, which I love. Some raw garlic. Now I'm adding the garlic in here because I want the garlic to have a chance to cook in the oven. Some scallions, another building of that layer of oniony flavor. And our gorgeous shrimp. I went ahead and left tails on just for presentation, really. And, you know, it adds a little bit of flavor, I think. A little bit of olive oil just for that hit of fat that we talked about in our magic formula for a gorgeous sheet pan dinner. Gail, would you go ahead and grab me a preheating sheet tray on the bottom oven? So this is important, guys. I had an oven heated to 425 that I stuck my sheet tray in just until it comes up piping hot, and you're gonna hear this sizzle. Thank you so much. As I lay my shrimp and veggie down, that helps to immediately start the cooking process. This is gonna cook fast, so you'd wanna make sure that you don't waste any time coming up to heat, which could risk overcooking your gorgeous veg and protein. Lovely, thank you so much.
There you go. And I just want to make a point before you take it to the oven
Yes,
to
please.
notice the size of all of your veggies.
Yes.
'Cause this really is the #1 mistake I think people make when they are making sheet pan dinners. You need everything to be relatively the same size so that it cooks evenly. Uneven sizing, big piece of broccoli, tiny piece of shrimp will mean that some stuff is overcooked, some stuff is undercooked. You want to spread it out nicely, but it all needs to be relatively uniform in size to make it perfect.
100%. I'm glad you said that and reminded me to give the sheet tray a little spacing, a little shimmy like this, so that it ends up not steaming. This is going in, and magically, 425 degrees, 10 minutes later, you will receive gorgeous golden brown broccoli, perfectly tender and cooked shrimp. You can tell your shrimp is beautifully cooked when it starts to form a loose C shape and is totally opaque like this. You don't want to wait until it forms a complete O, you know, when it makes that tight circle, because your shrimp is going to be sadly overcooked.
That O, it stands for over.
Oh, so accurate. Pour that luscious sauce we made right over top and give it a quick stir. Right down here.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
That sheet pan is working hard.
It's working hard for us. Of course she is.
Multi-purpose.
Of course she is. She is the multi-use tool of the century. All right, there you go, my friends. Delicious, protein-packed, veggie-heavy, ultra flavorful dinner.
That's good.
Ready in a jiffy.
And that sauce is nice. It has everything. It's got a little bit of salt, just a subtle amount of heat. It looked like it was more, but it's good. All right, for now, So many home cooks struggle with sheet pan meals that roast unevenly. Our viewer, Michelle, has been cooking along with us. Michelle, all right, are you out there? There you are.
How are you?
Did cutting all of the food roughly the same size, did that help you out?
Totally. It totally did. By having them the same size, I obviously roast evenly, so it just made the meal delicious. It was great.
My kind of girl.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.